Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the K9 token. Now the K9 token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. Right now it's up 43.4%, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the K9 token. It's up 49.5% right now. There is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before thinking about getting this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly do your own research when they can alter things like taxes. It doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can do that. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. K9TOKEN.com is their official webpage. They do have a full link tree and white paper on CoinGecko, along with their price chart, contract address, Etherscan, Twitter, and Telegram are all listed on here. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the K9 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko on their Etherscan webpage or white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, right now, according to their Etherscan, they have 398 holders, a max total supply of, that is a million, billion, 100 trillion tokens, and 18 decimal places on this token. The third and final form of dog memes, K9. This is the start of a new epoch, the K9 epoch. So, there's an introduction here about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. We don't need to talk about that. But then they say, so it's time for a dog upgrade. Introducing K9. So K9 is the third and final form of dog memes. First there was Doge, then there was Shiba, now K9 has arrived. K9 has transcended the flesh and bones form of our predecessors into a metallic, immortal dog that's built for the future. The world is progressing forward. We are seeing technology rapidly advancing. K9 represents the rapidly evolving technical world. The next bull run will be driven by projects that push the boundaries of innovation. K9 is an homage to those innovators. K9 is a true meme coin and will remain as one, focusing on brand development, education, and bringing awareness to those who are innovating. Read our features section for a more in-depth explanation. So they have a features section on here. So why is this the perfect time for K9? The problem with dog coins and meme coins. So it says, most dog coins that claim to be one that will compete with Doge and SHIB have inherently their identity by either incorporating Doge, Inu into their name or by using imagery which are similar to Doge and SHIB. This is correct. With meme coins in general, we have seen the implementation of unnecessary utilities which are used to either justify taxation or give validity to the project. Is another swap necessary? Do we need another L1, L2 for memes? Meme coins should remain meme coins. They should be educational and help get more people into crypto. they should focus on expanding their brand into different areas. But the most important thing is when you have a huge reach, especially for retail investors, is to protect them, which leads to the second reason. It's the perfect time for K9 Shibarium affecting the Shiba Inu brand. So there's a strategic flaw in Shiba Inu strategy, the unnecessary implementation of Shibarium, Shiba Inu's layer 2. There are plenty of L1s and L2s of all which plan to attract real projects to be built on chain. But what happens when a meme coin launches an L1 or L2 blockchain? It attracts other meme coins and scams. Exactly what happened with Doge chain, although not an official Dogecoin project. When Shibarium launches, there will be a huge influx of meme coins being launched on their L2, the vast majority being scams. No legit business would choose Shiba Inu's L2 to build on. Shiba Inu has a large retail reach. That means that there will be a lot of uninformed investors believing that the projects launching on Shibarium are safe. This is a recipe for disaster. So K9's features. K9 plans to remain a meme coin. That means we will focus on building features rather than utilities. We want to focus on our efforts on things that will grow the K9 brand. Those things will be fun, educational, and collaborative. On our website, we have a market cap price for K9, Bitcoin, and ETH. We've included this to create excitement for the upcoming bull run. We will be adding more to the top 50 projects, and we will add others based on the community's requests. K9 will focus on education. We want to provide a space where new crypto participants are able to find up-to-date information about crypto, how to take advantage of opportunities, and most importantly, how to stay safe. K9 is an homage to the innovators, so we will be featuring projects both inside and outside of crypto, showcasing what they're working on and how they're driving technology forward. There will be more features than just the ones above. As we grow, the K9 brand will add more based on what we think will bring the most value. We also want to hear from the community. So if there's something the community wishes to see, we will make it happen. So there's a lot more information on their webpage here, but let's scroll down here. So there is a 0% buy and sell tax, no tax at all. So liquidity locked for 100 years, renounced ownership. Initial liquidity was 2 ETH. They have their marketing strategies on here. Now, there is no roadmap basically on their page specifically, like in the form of a roadmap, but they do have lots of information about what they are going to do. We pretty much went over the features though already. Now on their webpage they may have different information than their white paper. Let's check that out quickly. So K9 is only available to buy on Uniswap. As we grow, it will become available in more places, it says. You can join the Telegram, all that type of stuff. They have frequently asked questions on their page here. But yeah, no specific roadmap. Tokenomics, they don't have allocation on here yet either. They just have the basic tokenomics, which is what I just said. And besides that, yeah, if you want to share, there's some hashtags on here you could use. They're partners with Etherscan, Dex Tools, Uniswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Check it out, K9TOKEN.com. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.